Then you write this question, a question from your textbook. In the picture, the side of the large triangle are tangents to the circumcircle of the small triangle through its vertices. Calculate the angles of the large triangle. Calculate the angles of the large triangle. A question from your textbook, page number 172. Okay. Here, first we draw the diagram. Here, first we can draw the diagram. Here, a diagram is drawn. Here in the figure, one small triangle and one large triangle. Okay, you can give the name as A, B, C is the small triangle, and P, Q, R are the large triangle. Here, two angles of the small triangles are known. Therefore, we can find the third angles also. That means angles of small triangles are known, then find the angles of the large triangle. Here, with respect to the small triangle, the circle is circumcircle. With respect to the large triangle, the circle is called incircle. Okay. Then how do you find out this? Here, first you consider this angle. Then one of the method is angle RAC. Angle RAC. We can find angle RAC. Okay. RAC. What is angle RAC? That is angle between tangent and chord. RA is the tangent and AC is the chord. Therefore, the angle between tangent and chord. That we know. Angle between tangent and chord is angle in the other segment. Therefore, the chord makes one angle in the segment, that is angle ABC. Therefore, we can write it as angle RAC equal to angle angle ABC. That you can write the reason. What is the reason? Angle RAC, angle between tangent and chord, is equal to the chord makes the angle in the other segment. That's equal to 50 degree. Okay, 50 degree. Similarly, angle RCA. Angle RCA is also 50 degree. Angle RCA equal to angle ABC. That's equal to 50 degree. Or we can find RA equal to RC. In this triangle, RA equal to RC. This small triangle RAC. RA, the length of the tangents from the external point to the circle. RA equal to RC. Therefore, these two angles are also equal. These two angles are also equal. Therefore, we can write it as RAC equal to RCA in triangle RAC. In triangle RAC, we can write it in triangle RAC. Angle R equal to, what is angle R? Angle R equal to sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Therefore, first angle is 50 degree, second angle is also 50 degree. Therefore, we can write it as angle R equal to 180 minus 50 degree plus 50 degree. That's equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. We got angle R. Angle R equal to 80 degree we got. Where? Angle R equal to 80 degree. Then you write this below of this answer. The next I'm finding this angle P. You consider triangle PAB. In similar way, angle PAB. Angle PAB. You can find angle PAB. What is angle PAB? Angle PAB. PA is the tangent. AB is the chord. PA is the tangent and AB is the chord. Therefore, angle between tangent and chord equal to chord makes the angle in the other segment, that is angle ACB. Angle ACB equal to 60 degree. Clear? It is 60 degree. Similarly, angle PBA. Angle PBA. What is PBA? PBA is also angle ACB. Angle ACB equal to 60 degree. Therefore, in triangle PAB, in triangle PAB, these two angles are known. Therefore, you can find the third angle, angle P equal to 180 minus 60 plus 60. 180 minus 60 and 60. That's equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Angle P equal to 60 degree. Therefore, we can write it as triangles of therefore angles of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR are 80 degree. 80 degree is one angle. The second angle is 60 degree. Then you can find the third angle. 80 plus 60, 140. Therefore, the third angle is 40 degree. 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree are the angles of this triangle. Angles of this triangle. Okay. Then you write the next question. The same question. Write this one. What is the question in the picture? The sides of the large triangle are tangents of the circumcircle of the smaller triangle through its vertices. Calculate the angles of the smaller triangle. Calculate the angles of the smaller triangle. Okay. Two angles are given, that is 60 degree and 40 degree. We have to find the angles of the smaller triangle. Here you can draw the figure, same figure, and this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 40 degree given. Two angles of the larger triangle is given. Two angles of the larger triangle is given to find out the angles of smaller triangle. The reverse process. We can find the angles of triangle ABC here. Okay. First you consider in triangle PAB. In triangle PAB. In triangle PAB, angle P equal to 60 degree is known. Angle P equal to 60 degree. Then angle PAB. What's the remaining angle? Angle PAB plus angle PBA. Angle PAB plus angle PBA equal to, in this angle, total angle is 60 degree. Therefore, sum of these two remaining angles is 120 degree. Clear? 120 degree. But these two angles are equal. That we know PA and PB are tangents. Therefore, we can write angle PAB equal to angle PBA. Angle PAB plus angle PBA equal to 120 degree. Both angles are equal. Therefore, each angle equal to 120 by 2 equal to 60 degree. 120 by 2 equal to 60 degree. You get. Okay. Therefore, angle PAB equal to 60 degree. Therefore, we can find angle ACB. Angle ACB equal to, what is angle ACB? Angle ACB equal to angle PAB. Again, apply that. Which result? Angle between tangent and the chord. This is PA is the tangent and AB is the chord. Angle between tangent and chord is same as angle in the other segment. That's equal to 60 degree. Angle PAB equal to 60 degree. Angle PAB is 60 degree here. Then you consider triangle RAC. In triangle RAC. Similarly, you can find this angle. RAC. Angle RAC. Angle RAC plus angle RCA equal to angle R equal to 40 degree. Therefore, remaining angle is 140 degree. 140 degree. In this triangle, here ARC, in the triangle RAC, angle R equal to 40 degree. Angle R equal to 40 degree. Therefore, sum of these two remaining angles is equal to 140 degree. Clear? But these two angles are equal. RAC equal to RCA. Both angles are equal. Therefore, we can write it as angle RAC plus angle RCA. Angle RCA equal to 140 divided by 2 equal to 70 degree. Equal to 70 degree. That's angle equal to 70 degree. Clear? Therefore, in triangle ACB, one angle is equal to 60 degree and another angle equal to 70 degree. Therefore, we can write angles of triangle ABC. Angles of triangle ABC. In this triangle, this angle we got 60 degree and this angle we got 70 degree. Two angles are known. Therefore, we can find the third angle. That is, angles of triangle ABC are 60 degree, 70 degree, and 60 plus 70, 130. Therefore, remaining angle is 50 degree. Therefore, 60 degree, 70 degree, 50 degree are the angles of this triangle ABC. Here, in the first problem, angles of small triangles are known, and we have to find out the angles of a large triangle. And the second problem is